Hello, today we will discuss about Aufbau principle before discussing modern periodic table. Aufbau, it is not the name of the scientist. It is a German word. Aufbau, it is a German word. It is a German word. And Aufbau means building up. Aufbau means building up. And it is also called as construction. Construction. It is many times asked in exam, which of the following rule name not included scientist name? That is Aufbau principle. And this Aufbau principle tells about the filling up of atomic orbitals. Atomic orbitals are s, p, d, f like this. And electron enter into which orbital first? This is explained by this Aufbau principle. The statement for this Aufbau principle is statement. We see the statement. This statement states that in the ground state of an atom, electrons enter into atomic orbitals. How they enter is in the increasing order of their energies. Now, how to check which orbital is having higher energy and which orbital is having lower energy? We'll take an example between 2s and 3p. We'll check which is having higher energy, which orbital is having higher energy and which orbital is having lower energy. To check which orbital is having higher energy, which orbital is having lower energy, we apply another rule that is called as N plus L rule. Important, N plus L rule, which is also called as Borsbury's rule. Here N, this N value is equal to the first number. First number is 2 here and first number is 3 here. And L value, if L is equal to 0, then it is s orbital. If L is equal to 1, then it is p orbital, and L is equal to 2, then it is d, and L is equal to 3, then it is f orbital. Substitute these L values in this. Let us apply to N plus L rule for 2s orbital. Here N value is 2 plus s for s. L value is 0. Substitute 0, which is equal to 2. For 2s orbital, N plus L value is 2. For 3p orbital, N value is 3. N value is 3 plus p. For p orbital, L value is 1. 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. See here, for 2s orbital, N plus L value is 2. And for 3p orbital, N plus L value is 4. Important, see here, between 2s and 3p orbital, the orbital which is having higher N plus L value, that is having higher energy. That is 3p is having higher N plus L value, this is having higher energy, and 2s is having lower N plus L value, this is having lower energy. According to Aufbau principle, electrons enter into atomic orbitals in the increasing order of their energy. That is lower energy orbital. In lower energy orbital, electron enter. That is in 2s, electron enter first because it is having lower energy. Next, they enter into 3p orbital because they are having higher energy. We'll consider another example, that is 4f and 5d. Between 4f and 5d, we'll check electron enter into which orbital first. We apply N plus L rule. Here N value is 4. For F, L value is 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Apply N plus L rule here also. N value is 5 plus D value is, for D, L value is 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. See here. Here we'll get same N plus L values for both 4f orbital and 5d orbitals. In these cases, when we get same N plus L values for both the orbitals, then we go through this N values. We go through N values, the orbitals which are having higher N value, are having higher energy. The orbitals which are having lower N value are having lower energy. Between 4f orbital and 5d orbital, 5d orbital is having higher energy and 4f is having lower energy. Both are having same N plus L values, and because we go through N values, and here it is having lower energy because it is having lower N plus N value, that is 4, and here higher N value, that is 5. Like this, we determine the N plus L value and we arrange the orbitals in the increasing order of their energies. Now, we write the atomic orbitals in the increasing order of their energies. How to write it easily? First write 1s. First write 1s. After 1s, write 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d. Next is 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. After 4f, 5s, 5p, like this. Next, write arrow marks. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, like this. Here, write atomic orbitals next. Here, first arrow mark is passed through 1s. 1s. Next, after 1s, second arrow mark is passed through 2s. After 2s, third arrow mark is first passed through 2p. Next, 3s. 2s, 2p, 3s. After 3s, next arrow mark is passed through 3p first and then 4s. 3p and next 4s. After 4s, 3d. Next 4p. Next 5s. Here, atomic orbitals are automatically arranged in the increasing order of their energies without applying N plus L rule. This is an easy method to write the atomic orbitals in the increasing order of their energies. And the limitation of this Aufbau principle is this Aufbau principle not applicable to the systems containing one electron. One electron means hydrogen containing one electron, helium containing two electrons, but helium plus containing one electron, lithium 2 plus also containing one electron. In these cases, we consider only N value. N means principal quantum number, L is azimuthal quantum number. We will discuss these quantum numbers in another video. This is about Aufbau principle.